buying a second-hand car. Just check these 5 places and you won't be able to buy accident cars, flooded cars, or scrapped cars. First, check seat belts. There is a production date on the bottom of this safety belt. Compare this production date with the production date on the vehicle's nameplate. If they do not match, it means that the airbag system of this car has been triggered before, and it may be an accident car. Second, open the main driver's door. Squat down and look under the steering wheel. Check the steering column and brake pedal for rust. If so, it means the car was soaked in water in the past. Third, there are 2 rubber plugs next to the pillar of the vehicle. That's them. Let's open it. Look, there's a screw inside. These 2 screws are used to control the frame of the center console. Let's check whether these 2 screws have any signs of being removed. If so, it means that the center console of this car has been replaced. Why replace the center console? Had a big accident. Fourth, open the front hood. Unscrew the engine oil cover. After unscrewing it, check the back to see if there is a lot of black sludge. If so, it means that the engine of this car was not well maintained before, and it may break down at any time. Fifth, check whether the front frame on the left and right sides of the car is symmetrical. Then check whether there are any knocking or welding marks on the front frame. Look, there are traces of welding here, indicating that the front of this car has been in a serious accident. If you don't check this place out before buying a used car, you will definitely be scammed. Useful car knowledge, right? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.